Hi Subash, Venkat.
Hi ma'am.
How are you?
Fine ma'am. Thanks for asking.
Yeah. This is Divya from Quantity Department. I just
Okay.
want to take a feedback video from your side.
Sure ma'am.
Before starting that, congratulations for your placement, Subash.
Thank you.
Uh, can you just introduce yourself and about your native?
My name is Subash Venkat. I have completed my BTech in Civil Engineering in Srinivasa Ramanujan Institute of Technology, based in Anantapur, Andhra Pradesh. And now I have came to do a short-term course on construction management training course, 3 months short-term course in CMTI Institute.
Yeah. From Andhra till Bangalore, how you feel?
I feel very new, ma'am, because of all my education from I born brought up in Andhra Anantapur, ma'am. First time I have came for Bangalore for the job and training purpose. CMTI has take more support and take care of me for in that for getting placement and training.
Like how you got to know about the CMTI?
I came to know about my friend circle, ma'am. My friends they are got trained here and got placed also, ma'am.
Yeah, can you just say your friend's name who trained here?
Uh, His name is Ashwant Raj, ma'am. He had trained uh, past 6 months, ma'am. He had trained the past 6 months and got placed in. Uh,
Okay, like what you have learned in CMTI?
we we have learned many more things in construction management, advanced course, construction advanced course, ma'am. First, we have learned many basics about construction and also interiors. In interiors, we have learned about the hardwares and the process that will be going on the factories, cut list, and some design tools like AutoCAD and SketchUp. So, and we have completed some assignments in SketchUp and AutoCAD and the data and well.
How about the site visits? How you?
Yeah, we gone through many site visits like Homeline Experience Center, Design Cafe Experience Center, and 60 Interior Factory. And at there we have experienced the different types of units that they are showcasing the and the way of style. They're showing the interiors. Each company has their own style and interiors, and many of hardwares they are manufacturing, and the factory processes will be going on the flyboards in 60 Interior Factory.
How was the trainers with you, and how about Ashok's supports?
The efficient training has been given to us, ma'am, by trainers called Natarajan sir, Isha sir. They train very well, so ma'am. The practical learning that is going present on the field, they have trained all that and right from basic that which is necessary to get a placement. And Ashok sir also support us very well, ma'am. And he he came up with different and more good companies for us. Yes.
Okay, how about the CMTI app? How it helped you out?
Yes, ma'am. It helped me getting more information and knowledge from the app, ma'am. Whenever I have a inconvenience to attend the classes, I attend the class. Learn the classes through this app, ma'am. Through this app. In that app, there are so many materials and so many videos on each classes and each topic. And it has supported me a lot, ma'am, when I am inconvenienced to attend the classes.
How about the CMTI staffs and coordinators? How were they with you?
Yes, and they are very cooperative and very caretaking, and they have taught more subject and make me educational environment for getting learned and getting placed. They supported me.
How about the confident level of yours?
In beginning stage, I have somehow less confidence levels. After joining the CMT, I have gone through many interviews for different roles and different companies. By attending that interviews, by training, by getting trained from institute, by conducting mock interviews, I have overcome that fear and gained lots of confidence.
Yeah, I hope you are happy with your placements, Subash.
Yes, yes, ma'am. I'm happy. Thanks to
Okay,
CMTI.
finally, what you want to say to your friends and juniors?
The CMTI is a very good platform that connects the students as an employee to the companies, and they fulfill the needs of companies by training the students as an perfect employee to the company. Yes.
Yeah, thank you, Subash, for your feedback. I
Thank you,
wish
ma'am.
you good luck for your
Thank you,
yeah,
ma'am. It's my pleasure.